This is for the producers. Is there a figure you can give us for the final budget of the film? And how much did you make with the first one? How much do you expect to make with the second?
They don't know yet.
No, I'm sure they've got a figure.
Lovely, Bharti. You've become a chartered accountant now. You want all
Married to one.
Well done. I don't have those figures. You have to ask the producers.
Well, the first part we didn't make any money. That much I can tell you.
How's that possible?
Because
Karan made money.
I'm a presenter. Presenters always make money. The ones who really put their hard work, blood, sweat, and tears into it, sometimes they don't land up making money. But you know, the equity the film has raised is beyond even the monetary worth. But I know, I would understand why you want a technical... but I think you're getting nothing from this panel.
But Karan, does the presenter not
finished? He hasn't finished. He's going to tell me.
Yeah.
yeah, the second one we will make a lot of money, which will compensate for what we didn't make in the first part.
Yay.
What's the budget?
Yay.
What's the budget?
Budget of both the parts together is in the range of 400 plus crores, around 450 crores.
Thank you.
Karan, does the presenter not share the royalty?
Sorry?
Does the presenter not share the royalty?
We share love, ma'am. We don't share anything else.
Okay,
That's
one question to Prabhas. Prabhas, did you break your bones this time?
No.
Last time you were like,
yeah,
you know.
last time we did.
So what
This
was
time-
your experience this time with all that stunts and actions, you know?
Yeah, actually this time Rajmouli took a lot of care of me. Actually, he planned very well, and even the action scenes. We had a lot of action scenes, but still, he edited the action scenes before and everything, most of the film. And I think second part was much more comfortable. And Rajmouli especially took a lot of big care. Yeah, thank you.
प्रभास बीच में राणा की फिल्म आई थी द गाजी अटैक. आपने भी कुछ हिंदी या बॉलीवुड की फिल्मों के लिए प्लान किया है या कुछ स्क्रिप्ट्स पे बात चल रही है, अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें?
Yeah, if something like that, I'll let you know next time when we meet.
Rajamouli sir, Rajamouli sir, after the release of Bahubali 1, a lot of trolls were made on social media as to why Kattappa killed Bahubali. So what was your reaction initially? And did those trolls create any pressure to, you know, focus more and make the second part more larger?
The amount of trolls that you get on your film is directly proportional to the craze that you have on the film. That is what I believe. So whether it's good or bad, however people discuss, if the people are discussing a lot about your film, that means that it's made a lot of impact on them. So that is how I view it. No, it doesn't create pressure. It gives me a lot of confidence that so many people are going to watch my second film on the first day of the release. It guarantees openings.
We have last two questions, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, I wanted to ask one more.
Yeah,
again about figures, but different kind. Prabhas and Rana, you have fantastic physiques on the screen. Is that computer generated or is it for real? And how will we know?
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. I'd like to know.
Well, I had no job. Both of us had no jobs for about 5 years except training and looking like what we look in this film. Ma'am, it's not computer generated. It's human generated. It's pretty real.
You, Prabhas?
Also, I'm speaking for the both of us.
For him. All right.
So, Raja
Okay,
sir,
we
a
have-
question to you here.
Yes.
Raja sir.
You need proof?
The 28th of April, ma'am.
All will be revealed.
Raja
Pun
sir,
intended.
on your right, Raja sir. Sir, right here. So we saw the trailer, second trailer. Raja sir, here, right, on your right. Yeah. So there's a scene which is similar to Hercules, sir. Dwayne Johnson, where he's coming with the open arm and the bows are coming to him, sir. So there are few more scenes also that have been similar to another movie.
Pardon, I didn't get that.
So there is a scene in the trailer that has been he's standing with the open arm and bows are coming to him. So it's the same scene from Hercules, Dwayne Johnson, sir. So
You felt like that? Did you feel like that?
So kind of, sir.
You kind of. So yeah, you watch the film and let me know. See, when we make war films or when we make any kind of action films, and there are so many shots like arrows coming, bows shooting arrows, or horses coming, or elephants coming, it's the same kind of war. War is the same. How you put your shots through it is matters. If you think one arrow shot is looking like the same thing here, I feel funny actually answering that question.
Rajamouli sir.
Okay, that's the last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, I have two questions. First is Rajamouli sir. The Tamil version of the trailer was leaked. So would there be any kind of measures that you would be taking to battle piracy, when it comes to the movie release?
There are two things here. One is leakage and one is piracy. But both are completely different. Piracy happens when someone, after the release of the film, someone captures it in one mode or other and puts it online and make money out of it, or they don't, whatever. That is piracy. Leakage is something when during the film someone inside the crew, someone inside the studios, or someone captures and puts it on the social media or on or whatever platform just to the fun of it. Both are completely different. And this particular thing is neither. It is some technical glitch in the Facebook. The video, which is supposed to be in the private mode, went into public mode. We still exactly don't know what is the reason, but it changed the plans. But anyway, we are happy with it because the kind of response that we got, we are very happy with it, and fans are really happy because I always tend to postpone the date. I always tend to come later, and that I came much earlier than what I said. They are quite happy about it. So all is well that went well.